Hi guys, this is already almost 2 weeks since I came to Spain, and oh my goodness, the time is flying by.
Take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it move along. I said we got what you need, honey. Come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on that highway, you know. Wow.
Very lazy afternoon, just enjoying the view, enjoying my cerveza, and doing absolutely nothing. Truly enjoying my life.
Because mostly I'm filming everything outside and it's lots of noise, and sometimes it's even inconvenient to comment on something. I will try maybe in this video somewhat do voice over a video, and I'm trying clearly find some kind of spot in my apartment that I have a good lighting, etc., to film something for you guys, because my previous video I just kind of put it here and there. But what I'm thinking, at the beginning of each video I'm gonna mention what I did within these 2 weeks, what I visited, what surprised me the most, and then I kind of gonna insert it, the little clips. So within this week I obviously visited several times different parts of the city, different restaurants, coffee shops. Sometimes I filmed it, sometimes I didn't. I did my first manicure in this little town. Let me actually try to come closer and show you my manicure. So I did my first manicure in this little town. It was kind of fun. Today, you can see I'm sitting on the bed, and my outfit is very, very simple. This is actually Tory Burch blouse. I put my Chanel brooch. I put my Hermes earrings. I have my Hermes small CDC bracelet. I have my Hermes ring. So this ring is pretty much during this whole trip will be kind of like a uniform. I'm wearing my Valentina sneakers. This is extremely ungracious, trying to show this. Oh my goodness, this is kind of like really awful. And I'm wearing just the simple shorts. I'm wearing simple shorts. They're actually from American Eagle, very, very inexpensive. And as I said, my sneakers are Valentina sneakers, and my bag of the day is going to be my Chanel mini square. Actually, for this whole trip I only packed 2 handbags. I packed my Chanel square black lambskin. I was a little bit worried about the lambskin, but then I said, you know what, come on, this is just a handbag, use it. So anyway, and I packed my Della Cavalleria in gold color, and I'm so glad of my choices of the handbags. They were really great choices. I think I'm already digressing all the way through. So anyway, I'm on my way also once again to see little cafeteria. Looks like they have lots of great pastries, so clearly I want to try it.
I'm in this little coffee shop. I just ordered for myself coffee and a local I'm assuming cheesecake. That's how it's looking like. I just went to heaven. So delicious.
But overall, guys, I'm walking here miles and miles. I'm not even kidding. Like, you know, every single day I'm walking for miles. I'm absolutely walking for miles. I'm like, clearly, I don't know when the 2 weeks went, because it just every single day I have to do something. Because let's say back in Toronto, back home, say when I'm doing grocery shopping, I'm clearly driving my car and I'm getting so much stuff, and then for 2 weeks I don't do anything. But here, because clearly I don't have a car, and everything in the downtown area is literally about 10 kilometers per hour, cars can be moving, so sometimes it's literally, especially with the traffic, literally walking is faster. And I'm enjoying walking, so I do little grocery here and there every single day. I'm trying some new foods, some new drinks, etc. Coffee over here, oh my goodness, the coffee is so fantastic. It's absolute joy.
So it's early in the morning, actually not that early, it's about time, and I got into this cute cafeteria. I ordered myself a cup of coffee, cafe con leche, as they say, and some tostadas, so I'm waiting for tostadas right now. This is my morning / lunch. So excited to try it. This is one of the local dishes. So let's try it. Really delicious. Just a perfect salmon. Just a perfect salmon with a toast. Love it. So let's try the second one. Really nice. It's avocado with some cheese. Delicious. I finally helped myself with that breadcrumb crumbs that was constantly on my lip. So I had my lunch / breakfast, and now I have my fresh squeezed orange juice. Absolutely delicious. Everything is just so fantastic.
And you know, that's how I fill up my days. I also in this video most likely gonna include my trip to the local spa at Ambassador Hotel.
Hi guys, I'm on my way to Ambassador Hotel. They have absolutely fantastic spa. Unfortunately, I cannot film in that spa, but I'm gonna take some pictures of the website.
My goodness, it's absolutely gorgeous. Then I visited another hotel, which is once again kind of a little bit more upscale. Overall, my first impression of this town, it just kind of gives me almost like, I don't know, small town vibes, like when everybody knows everybody. Keeping in mind that the local population actually of Benidorm town or city, should I call, about 70,000, and they have over several million tourists per year. So pretty much everything is tourism over here. And I see right now during the winter months, I can see a little bit more older generation coming to this town. And if you're asking me, actually this section I want to dedicate the reason why I came here, because as many of you maybe know already, I'm in my mid-50s and I'm slowly but surely considering something, you know, for the retirement during the winter months, because I absolutely love Canada, summer, fall, spring, etc. But winter sometimes could be brutal, and if I could break it for several months somewhere in the winter, that would be really lovely. And my first options, of course, was always what I was considering. It's Florida. You know, we have lots of snowbirds coming from Canada to Florida for winter months, and it still remains my valuable options. But I want to explore something different. And this little town, I heard that mostly everybody is speaking English, because there is lots of British people coming over here for the winter months for the same reasons that I'm trying to achieve maybe in my life. And that's the reason why I decided, you know, to come over here and see if it's gonna work out for me.
Good morning, guys. I was promised you to show my little apartment. So this is my typical morning over here in Spain. So I wake up in the morning, I do some work on my computer, you know, doing some editing. That's my tea. That's little, almost like a chest. I keep my handbag, some little my bits and bobs. This is quite comfortable chairs, and this is the dining table. You can actually extend this dining table, but clearly I do not need. There is an adapter. I need an adapter over here. So this is the TV. This is the small corner of my, I don't know, sofa, where I usually sit and watch my TV. And that's the view. I will show you view from my room. So this is pretty much, I'm just opening the window and you can see the view. That's the Mediterranean Sea. It's absolutely gorgeous. There is some fridge over here, because clearly there is little kitchenette right there where I can, if I want, I can even cook something, coffee maker, microwave, etc. The closet where I keep my clothes. This is the small bedroom, nothing super luxurious, but still everything that I need. Again, little view of the kitchenette. They have an even washing machine. And if you're gonna ask me why did I rent an apartment versus maybe being more comfortable in hotel, I strongly disagree, because I want to spend some time in Spain and I want to truly experience the life in Spain, not just like, you know, visiting and being in hotel, because I really want to be around local people and see how local people actually live. So I'm gonna go back to my work doing some editing of the video. So that's my little apartment.
And so far it's absolutely fantastic. So far it's absolutely fantastic. Oh, by the way, funny part also, one of the days I visited a Sunday market, and oh my goodness, they have so much fake stuff. That was hilarious. They have, like, you know, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Prada and everything, and next to fake Louis Vuitton you see Guess handbags, clearly fakes. And I want to say, like, why do you want to do Guess handbag as a fake? They're very inexpensive, like $20-30, like, you know, especially on sale. It's like, it's beyond me. But anyway, that was an absolute hilarious moment, and I truly enjoyed that part. I truly enjoyed that part. I was giggling all the way through. I didn't take much footage, but still I took some of the footage. So that's about it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me likes, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Let me know what you want to see in next of my video. Do you want me specifically, I don't know, talk about some part of the town, or you know, because once again, in this part of the town there isn't really much of the luxury shopping, and I knew that because I wanna have this part of the journey as a discovery of kind of more simple life, you know, kind of like, you know, less complicated, and I'm looking like, it looks like I'm actually succeeding in this part of the journey. By the way, the Paris trip is coming also. I already booked my Paris trip, so I will be in Paris in January. And if you don't know, I'm traveling solo. The other members of my family, they stay in Canada, and I'm traveling solo, first time ever. So that's about it for today, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.